1988 to 2030, celebrating glorious 25 years of Reliance Insurance Limited. After independence, rebuilding Bangladesh was the key objective for the nation. As a developing country in the 1980s, with 92 million people, 3.2% GDP growth and fast economic transformation, it was necessary to establish several insurance companies to meet the market demand. In the year 1988, Reliance Insurance Limited was incorporated and obtained certificate of registration. As the first generation insurance company, Reliance Insurance Limited aimed to be the premier insurance organization in the country. After the completion of its first year, it had 14 shareholders, 15 branches, 45 employees. In 2011, the company shifted to its present building. With newer technology, expanding manpower, and effective contemporary ideas, Reliance Insurance Limited redefined its firm status in the industry.
We started with general insurance business, and it is almost 25 years now, and with our traditional products. But with the changing times, many multinational companies are coming in Bangladesh, and as per the requirement is huge, and they require wider and diverse coverages. We have been able to provide them as per the requirements.
With excellence in performance, the company operates its business in several areas, such as fire insurance, marine insurance under cargo and hull category, motor insurance, overseas mediclaim and holiday insurance, big bridges and culverts insurance, highways insurance, flyovers insurance, mega steel structures insurance, aviation insurance, and miscellaneous insurance.
In the last 25 years, we have been providing excellent customer service and unique products to our customers, and we have a track record of settling claims at the shortest possible time.
In its 25 years long journey, Reliance Insurance Limited has achieved several awards and recognitions for its promising service and solutions. Reliance Insurance is now maintaining a steady yearly gross premium income of 150 crore taka.
Non-life insurance market in Bangladesh is rather small, contributing a small part of our GDP. A large segment of our population, insurable interests and properties remain uninsured. The main reason is attributable to the negative perception of the population at large towards insurance. Reliance is fully aware of the potential of personal lines business as a means of furthering its future growth. Introduction of new products, new selling techniques, and effective use of IT together with improved services to our clients will help our future growth.
In the last 25 years, Reliance Insurance Limited has been closely associated with the transformation of Bangladesh. It has adapted to the changing times and market needs and maintained an enviable growth. Reliance Insurance Limited is proud to celebrate its Silver Jubilee with all its stakeholders. From here, we pledge to continue our journey with the experience we have gathered and trust we have achieved, and promise to serve the nation to the best of our ability.